1. Always have a pleasant attitude. Remember, you represent the spirit of Christmas and the Salvation Army. Smile and say thank you. 2. We're there at the invitation of the store. We don't have the right to stand our kettles. Please be gracious and kind in your dealings with and about the store and management. 3. Be presentable. Make sure to dress in weather-appropriate clothing. And if you received a Salvation Army branded apron, windbreaker, etc., please wear it. 4. Be gracious, even with people who don't give. We don't solicit for donations at the Kettle. We just make it fun and easy for people to give. 5. Always stand at your kettle. Standing helps you remain engaged with the public and focused on your task. 6. No cell phones during your kettle assignment. Please don't use your mobile phones unless you are on a break or there's an emergency. 7. No eating or smoking at the kettle. 8. Please work alone, unless you're part of a group that has permission to work the kettle together. Distracted bell ringers miss opportunities to make eye contact and be friendly. 9. Wish people a Merry Christmas. 10. Familiarize yourself with these sample talking points about kettle donations. Thanks for your donation to help people in need this Christmas and all year long. Your gift to the Salvation Army stays in this community to help our neighbors. If you'd like more information about the Salvation Army, find us online at westernusa.salvationarmy.org. 11. Limit your conversation to kettle-related topics. Please don't discuss Salvation Army policy, positions, and theology. Refer off-topic questions to the Corps Officer or Divisional Public Relations Director. 12. Use common sense. If something unusual or unexpected happens during your kettle shift, do your best to address it, but make sure to tell the kettle coordinator, Corps Officer, and get help if you need it.